And then it's Arizona. Before the game today, Bill Blankenship was hoping his team could get over that hump, meaning beating a BCS conference team. They had the chance today in Ames, Iowa. Cyclones strike first, however. Steele Jans going deep. Josh Lenz stretches out. He makes the play, and it's 7-0 Iowa State. Hurricanes show some defense on the next Iowa State possession. Todd gets in the backfield, makes the tackle in the end zone. Of course, that means a safety for 2. And it gives TU great field position for their first touchdown. Detarian Douglas gives TU the lead, and it's 8-7 at this point. They try for 2. Cody Green hits Thomas Robertson for another 2-pointer, this time the conversion at 10-7 Tulsa. Later in the quarter, Green flips it to Robertson, and he somehow gets his tootsies down for the score. This time TU unsuccessful scoring after the TD, so it's 16-7. Iowa State would score 17 unanswered in the second quarter. Jans keeps for the TD at 16-14, but TU still leads by 2 until Cyclones taking the lead on the TD pass to their tight end, Brunn. TU allows Iowa State to kick a late field goal, 24-16 at the half. Second half, more Cyclones. James White up the gut, Iowa State with 24 unanswered. Fourth quarter, TU tries to get back in it. The give to Trey Watts. He splits the defense and heads downfield. He'll get 77 yards on this play, deep in his Iowa State territory. And then a few plays later, Green lobs it up there for Kataris Garrett. The newcomer comes down with it, 31-23, but that's as close as TU would get. 38-23 your final score. And this week they'll be home to open conference play with Tulane. In fact, the next 3 for TU will be at home as well.